Welcome to the video. In this video will be discussing about the arithmetic operators in Python. So far we have seen some data types, different data types, and and also we have seen the comparison operator, and now we will discuss about the arithmetic operators. As we are using as there are numerical data types, obviously we can make some operations on numericals, so that's where arithmetic operators comes into place. And now let's see, it's quite common, like how we use operators in arithmetic operators in mathematics. So the same can be used here. How Python gives output using the arithmetic operators, we will do some little examples. It's quite so simple. So first one is addition. Let's see, addition operator. Suppose a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. We want to give the addition of both of them, a plus b. So plus is the symbol we will be using for addition. So let's run this. So a plus b, 10 plus 5 is 15. So here addition operator, by using the plus operator we can make addition. And one more example. I suppose we want to add two strings. In such cases also we can use the plus operator. It gives the output as one followed by another string. String should be enclosed by quotations, and let's print it. So here two strings were added using the plus operator. So even by using the plus operator we can add either two strings, and also we can add numericals also. We can even add lists also. Suppose take one list 1, 2 plus and another list 3, 4, and let's print this. So 1, 2 is one list and 3, 4 another list. So on adding this, the second list will be added in the next values. Will add as the next values for the first list. So we can even add the list also. That is nothing but a string matching. That is nothing but matching. Lists are joined here, strings are merged here. And this is subtraction. The next operator we can do on numericals is subtraction. Here we can only do subtraction on numericals. So let's print 10 minus 3. Let's run this. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So for doing some subtracting values, then we can use subtraction here, minus symbol. It removes value from another. And let's see one more example here. For suppose that is a complex we can use. Suppose print 50 minus 25. Let's run this. So 25 will be the output. So in this way we can use the minus operator for subtracting the values. In multiplication we know it gives the product of the two numbers. Suppose let's take print 4 multiplied by 3. We should get the output as 12. Obviously 12 is the output. 4 is multiplied by 3. Here even we can also, this is nothing but the repetition. 4 is repeated 3 times and the output will be 12. And if we want to multiply, we can use the multiplication operator for repetition. If we want to print, let's see this, print high 3, high 3, run this. So high will be printed 3 times. Here high is printed 3 times because we are giving the product. High is multiplied 3 times, so high will be printed 3 times. Okay, this is how we can use a multiplication asterisk for multiplication. And also we can, one more example, if we are taking one list here and we are multiplying this by 3 and run this. So list is repeatedly used for repetition. So this multiplication operator is used for repetition. So that is one more example, one more operator. And another operator we can also do is division operator. It gives the When we use single slash, it gives the float value. Division always returns a float value. So print 10 divided by 2. The output should be 10 divided by 2 is 5. This division always returns the float values. This is float division. And one more example, print 7 by 2. So 3.5. 3.5 is the output. 7 divided by 2 is the 3.5. The output is in the float value. So even what happens is, here integers are converted into float and the output will be displayed as a float. And float division, in float division, the output will be rounded off into the integer. Decimal will be removed. Let's see how this will be taken. Suppose print 7 by 2 double slash by 2. Let's run this. So 2 3s are 6. The value for this is 3.5 actually. But when we are giving float division, the numericals after the decimal will be removed. So the 3 will be displayed. Only 3 is displayed here. And one more thing. And we can also do the same operation on minus values also. Then next, minus 7 divided by 2 is nothing but it will give to the, we shall use double slash. It will give to the next, it will round, it is cutting the decimal to the float value. So its nearby value for minus 3.5 is minus 4, less than that. So minus 4 is less than minus 3.5, so it will round it off to the minus 4 value. And one more operator we can do is modulus. Here modulus gives the remainder after division. After making the division, the remainder will be displayed, can be displayed using the modulus operator. So print 7 modulus 2. So 2 3s are 6 and the remainder is 1. So the output for modulus is 1 here. And let's see one more example. Print 8 divided by 3. So output should be 2.6 because it is not exact division. 3 cannot divide the 8 exactly. So we shall take the modulus here. Yeah, we need the remainder of that. So 3 2s are 6 and the remainder is 2. So the output here is 2. And one more operator we can do in Python is exponent. See here, exponent is one more operator. What exponent gives is, if you want to use the power operation, so 2 to the power 3, in such cases we need we need exponent. Here for exponent we will be using double asterisk. If you use 2 times asterisk, then it represents the exponent. So this is 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 in the sense 2 into 2 into 2. Let's see the output here. So the output is 8. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2s and one more 2 is there, 4 2s is 8. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. So in this way we can use the exponent operator. And one more example, print 5 to the power 3. Let's see what is 5 cube. 125 is 25 5s is 125. So asterisk, when we give 2 asterisks followed by one after another, then it is exponent. And let's see, even we can do like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3, giving a variable and making some operation here. We can also do like this. Let's print this. Let's print result. Okay, so this is 6, and we can also print some operations like this. 2 plus 3 into 4. Let's run this. So 2 plus 3, 3 fours are, what 3 fours is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So multiplication here happens after addition. Multiplication happens before addition, like how we do in the maths. So it's very simple, like how we do in the mathematics. Brackets will be highest, and next exponential, next asterisk, next division, and lastly we will get the plus and minus operators. That is one example. And let's see the real world examples, how operators we will use in Python. For suppose price is equal to 120, discount is equal to 15, and we can make some we can arrive some variables here, some operations. We can do some operations here. So price into discount by 100, final price. We are arriving the final price. What will be the final price after discount? And let's print the final price. Okay, run this. Here we are taking the price is 120, we are giving discount of 15 rupees. Then what will be the actual price after discount? It is nothing but 102. Okay, if we divide this, then we will get the output as 102. See, this is a real world example. And so that those are the operators, mathematical operators. That is how we can make in that these are the mathematical operators. This is how we can use them in the Python. So operators that we are using here are simple. We are using addition operator, minus operator for numerical subtraction, and multiplication operator for repetition of values for strings, and also for multiplying the numbers, and division operator, it always returns the float value, actual division. For floor division gives the round it off the near number. It removes the decimals. This is modulus symbol, and this is used to, it gives a reminder of the division. So for exponential we can use for power, we can use a double asterisk. So these are the arithmetic operations we are using in Python. This is about the arithmetic operators. In this video we have discussed about, and wait for the next video, we will discuss one more operator. Thank you for watching.